Before we hop in, can you tell the people a little bit about your story in regards to like when you got into insurance, like how old were you, a little bit about your experience getting into this industry, and then we'll hop right in.
So yeah, thank you, man. I started off in insurance at like a general call center, one of those big call centers for like Geico, Progressive, State Farm, one of those. And I was there for a long time, about 16 years. And then went ahead and decided to get licensed, transitioned into doing life sales 2021. At that time, I was calling leads and booking appointments to go see them in person. And that was cool. That was nice. But then I was seeing videos with a lot of people doing well, doing it through telesales. So I decided to go ahead and get with some guys that were doing it strictly in telesales only, no face to face in 2024, and haven't looked back since. So that's my story in regards to life and insurance in general. It was back in the day, it was PNC, like property and casualty, but no sales. It was just servicing. People calling to modify policies, rewrite policies, things like that, swapping out vehicles. If it's Florida, a lot of wind mitigation stuff to make their home have a lower cost on their home insurance. But I figured, hey, if I'm talking to people all the time, always talking about big premiums too. Most people that call in, premiums be pretty large. All right, we just added this vehicle. Okay, we always had to say new annual premium. Okay, yeah, your new annual premium's 865 a month. Okay, and at the end of every call, almost every call, at least twice a day, so much so that I had a memorized line for whenever it came up. What they would ask me at the end of servicing everything, new vehicle, maybe a new roof on your house, maybe personal catastrophe policy. Everything's good. New child. All right. At the end of it all, do you have anything that can help pay off my mortgage if I pass away? Do you have anything that could, what if I get sick? And there was this phone number we had to transfer them to. There was a number that I was like, oh, I say that's a part of life insurance. Let me transfer you to this number. And I would just
Mhm.
transfer them away. So yeah, and I listened on one day to see where they get transferred to. They got dumped into a voicemail box. Nobody really helped them. So I was like, man, I need to start. I wish I had, kept my license and maybe stayed a little longer, but yeah, man.